In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quick edit the geometry of draw.io shapes in Atlassian Confluence if you need to precisely adjust the position, size, or rotation of a shape inside a draw.io diagram. Confluence makes that process very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the diagram editor, access the geometry settings for a shape, and apply your changes quickly and accurately. To begin, open the Confluence page that contains your draw.io diagram while the page is in editing mode. Once you can see the diagram on the page, click to select it. When the diagram is selected, a floating toolbar will appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window containing the draw.io diagram editor where you can make direct changes to the diagram itself. Inside the diagram editor, click on the shape whose geometry you want to modify. It's important to make sure the correct shape is selected before continuing, because the geometry settings will apply only to the currently selected object. After selecting the shape, go to the top menu bar and click Edit. In the drop-down menu, choose Edit Geometry. This will open the geometry dialog box. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to move faster, you can also open the same dialog by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and M. In the geometry dialog box, you'll be able to fine-tune several properties of the selected shape. You can check the relative option if that's appropriate for the adjustment you want to make. You can also edit values for left and top, which control the shape's position. The DX and DI fields allow for additional offset adjustments, while width and height let you precisely resize the shape. There's also a rotation field if you want to turn the shape to a specific angle instead of rotating it manually. As you enter these values, take a moment to double-check them before confirming, especially if you need exact alignment or consistent sizing across multiple shapes. This method is especially useful when visual dragging is too imprecise or when you're trying to match a specific layout. Once you've finished entering the values you want, click Apply. Your changes will be reflected in the shape immediately, and that's it. You've now quick edited the geometry of a draw.io shape in Atlassian Confluence using the built-in geometry dialog.